Hello everyone, welcome back to the Manifestation channel. This is author DS Spice. Thank you for visiting my channel and thank you for subscribing. Today I'm going to talk about manifesting money. Before that, I would just like to reiterate that one must always remain in a calm state of mind, have the required tools and vibrations to manifest whatever you want in life. Now, I personally believe in gratitude. Gratitude, I sincerely thank the people around me. It's very sincere around me for everything that happens, everything that goes on in my life. That I feel gratitude towards anything. So that increases the vibrations and pulls the manifestations towards me. Whatever I want to do, it may not directly be what I want in life, but it could be something else. Something else I'm going to manifest, but and in my environment, wherever I'm in, I believe in gratitude. The second technique that I personally go by is music. Music actually calms you, it increases the vibrations, and then it just makes you feel good. Um, just go with the words, you play, dance along with it. The third technique would be yoga. I don't practice yoga, but it's known to be a very good technique to calm you down and increase your manifestation. Increase the intensity of the manifestation coming towards you. So today let's talk about a technique, and this is the money bill technique, we popularly want to call it. And for that, what you need to do is you have to pick up a money bill. Just take the money bill of the highest currency in your purse. Okay, when I was doing it, I called up the bank and asked for 1,000 STD bill. But, that's different thing. So yeah, now let's do with a $50 bill. So something like this. Take a $50 bill, hold it in your hand. Okay, hold it in your hand. The step one I'm saying. Step one is hold it in your hand and observe the dollar bill. Okay, $50 bill I'm having, right? You can take any currency. Better to take the highest currency. Okay, and feel the texture of the material in which the check this is there. Um, Feel everything, the letters, the imagine and the letters, whoever is inside this picture. Feel the texture, smell it if you want to. Okay, and then okay, once you're through seeing the front page, go to the back page. Okay, and then again repeat the whole process of relax and see the money like as if you're seeing it for the first time in your life, something like that. Enjoy the course. See the diagrams that are built. There are some musical instruments there, something that looked like people. It's a $50 bill, a Singapore $50 bill I'm seeing. So see everything. Once you think that okay, I got enough of seeing this bill, your step one is over. Now go to the step two. Step two is go back to your reclining chair or wherever you rest, and close your eyes, and get this image in your head. Okay, get this image in your head. Okay, it may not happen for at the first go or something. Okay, so you can practice it, and it's not don't force things that you need to see, that it will happen. Okay, see the money bill in your mind. Okay, and feel happy about it, like feel very emotionally attached to it or something, that you feel that the money bill is in your head. So what's in your thoughts becomes a physical object, isn't it? So the step 2 is getting that physical object clearly as an image in your head. So you have that $50 bill as a clear image in your head. That is step 2. Okay. Step 3 is you open your eyes and you see this dollar bill. Say, thank you. I'm open to receive this manifestation in the next 24 hours. Okay, I repeat, you must say, thank you. I'm open to receive this manifestation in the next 24 hours. Okay, and just be open, just believe. Okay, believe that it is going to happen, and it will. You try your luck. Okay, it depends. You need to remove all those resistances that are stopping you and in reaching your manifestation. So just believe. Like, what do you have to lose, right? Just believe. Okay, and then watch out for in the next 24 hours. Watch out for any open actions or any kind of inspired actions that your intuitions are asking you to do, and you just follow them. So in my case, what happened was like I was trying this, right, long time back. So my intuition just asked me to just go and check my mailbox. I think here the mail comes twice a day, so I just check the mailbox sometime in the morning. Then there was nothing in that mailbox. So anyway, I had to do it because I felt that was the strongest emotion that time. So I came back, and then again afternoon when I'm just doing my work. Again, some strong intuition in me. Just go and check the letterbox again. Okay, like it's disgusting, right? I mean, I had to go down 13 floors and then go to my letterbox. So I went, and I saw three letters there. Okay, 2 were in investments, and 1 was a check. I got my manifestation. I don't know, because I mean it depends. Like you try it, and you believe, and just let go. Like just do this exercise as many times as you want, and just feel the power of the universe finding its ways to do the manifestations towards you. That's it. So this is the money bill technique that I wanted to emphasize on. Thank you for visiting this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and goodbye. Good luck. Let me know if your manifestation is successful. Thank you very much. Bye.